In this lesson, we'll talk about survival data. In order to be able to model survival, we need to be able to represent the data in a form which we can process. The primary challenge is censored observations, which is a particular form of missing data that we will look at next. So in this lesson, we'll be chatting about survival data and about censoring. Now, previously, when we looked at prognostic models, where we asked the question, what is the probability of survival past 5 years? We had data which looked like the following format, where we had a bunch of patients, and for each patient, we had their outcome information, which said, did I have an event? Did I not? So previously, we used 1 for that patient had an event and 0 for that patient did not have an event, here presumably in 5 years. And so that was the data that we used, and this was the outcome data that we were using. And notice the key thing here was that the answers we needed, the outcome we needed, were basically yes or no. They were ones or zeros that specified whether there was an event that happened in 5 years. But now, when we're dealing with survival data, we want to answer a different question. We want to answer the question, what is the probability of survival not just past 5 years, but past any time t? And to be able to do that, so we're going to need when information. Let's look at how we can acquire that when information for patients with an example.